Tashi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slow slime. Now I'm really excited to make this slime because it's super duper fun to play with, and where I live snow falls all the time. Now I wanted to make this video a couple of months ago, but my Amazon package was kind of late to come, so I couldn't make this video back then, but I still hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and enjoyed this video. So without further ado, let's get on to the video.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking my Elmer's regular school glue, and all I'm going to be doing is measuring out a half a cup to a cup of glue. Once you do that, go ahead and add in a half a teaspoon of baking soda. So for every cup of glue, you add a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and that's what's going to activate our contact solution to make it into slime. And then you want to mix that together. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add in my 2 tablespoons of contact solution. Now I'm just eyeballing it, but you could totally measure it out. And if you do not have a tablespoon measure, it would be 1/8 of a cup of contact solution. So basically we're just making regular white slime. Just make sure you add a little bit of contact solution at a time because you do not want your slime to turn really hard. Oh yeah, and make sure when you put your contact solution in or you buy contact solution, make sure it includes sodium borate or boric acid in the ingredients because that's borax and that's what will make our slime turn into slime. And once you feel comfortable with your slime, go ahead and take it off the spatula and start kneading it and working it in your hands to make sure everything is well combined, and this will also help your slime to not be so sticky. So once you do that, go ahead and place your white slime away. And now in a medium-sized mixing bowl, I'm just gonna go ahead and add in some instant snow. Now I ordered my instant snow off of Amazon. That's because I couldn't find it in local stores and because it could been in Michael's, but it's kind of far away from me. So that's why I had to order it online, but you could totally just purchase it in Michael's if you want to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the packet and empty that in my bowl. And I'm using 3 packets of instant snow here, and then all you want to do is just add water and it turns into snow. So once you emptied all 3 of your packets, go ahead and just add a little bit of water. So I'm just going to add an 1/8 cup of water, which is about 2 tablespoons. You could also add a little bit more, but you just want to look at the consistency. You could add more or less, and if you add too much, then if you have some remaining packets, then just go ahead and use that. So I'm just going to mix it up and feel it, and it kind of feels like crumbs almost, and that's when you know when it's like snow. Like your instant snow has turned into the snow. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add in my white slime into the instant snow, and you basically just want to mix everything together, and then your snow slime is done.
Enjoyed this slime as much as I did. If you are new to my channel and you enjoy my content, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be the first ones to see my videos when they're uploaded. And don't forget to check all of my other videos that just came out and my upcoming videos, which I'll see you guys next in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this slime, and I'll see you guys in my upcoming videos. Bye guys!